Let's go.
I do it.
Now, if you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and check that out real quick.
We out, bro. Hit the road.
This way, family memories.
We passed this. So
Straight had to turn around in somebody's crib and they dog almost like, he came up like, what you talking about now?
Yeah.
In the olden days of the road. Sit this in the fire, and really this is what's burning, but you just put the sticks around.
You made it cute.
Now that's a fire. It also was crazy because this one wasn't here. Like, watch this. You see how this is? Hey guys, 12 Flix. Now watch this. You know what I'm saying? It's good. We a couple. GB. Cause you a showstopper.
Yeah.
Which one's mine?
So body to body. So
This song.
I know, that's what I say.
It gives me this Evie.
Because it's so funny that you remember that song. I never heard it. That's just some straight Michigan, like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm from Midwest too, but it's like I never heard that, bro.
Only real ones know.
Only real Detroit niggas.
I'm not from Detroit.
You might as well.
You might
Flint.
as well. I ain't from there neither. I'm trying to play me.
It was cold out there, man. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, because we was having so much fun. But like, we was like, yeah, this joint.
You could see my breath, like.
So it was cold, but that joint was fun, man.
We wasn't even worried about the cold because we was having such a good time. He was cracking all the jokes.
Cause, man, it was a good time. Have a lovely time.
You old rickety man.
Conflabbit.
Coming round the bend.
Like, as the night went on, it just got progressively colder. Like, it got colder and colder the more we was chilling.
15 years. 15 years.
Shut up, bro. 15 years.
I was trying to think of a song with
15 years. 15 years.
I'm having a great time.
Hi.
We got this cool app that lets you see the stars, like, blown up so you know what stars you're looking at. So cool, like, the night sky. It was beautiful.
Yes, Scorpios.
We was really like in the mountains. Cause you can see every single star, every single constellation. We was basically looking at zodiacs, man. Like she said,
You could see the
like
whole
we had the
thing.
app, but we didn't even need the app.
So like the whole night we were seeing so many shooting stars. Like I made like 37 wishes. Like all of it should be coming any day now.
My wish came true.
What you wish?
I was hungry that day, and I was.
Oh. I thought it was something romantic.
I know. I was about to, but she was just already like,
I
oh,
was waiting.
what you wish? So I was just like, oh, I ain't even gonna do it.
Save myself.
It's all good though. 12. Ha ha ha. In the morning after.
Oh man, we woke up to that view. That view was something crazy. Everything was frosty.
Right. As it, we thought you would have thought it snowed.
Basically, but I didn't think about up in the altitude it gets a lot colder. I didn't even think about that.
It just came.
before I crack that camera.
Whole crib. That's our whole crib. Like, we just stayed in there last night. It was muy bueno.
My day woo.
They woolanos.
Day woo.
But it's the only mirror in the crib. In the crib. Did you have a good time, baby? Yeah. What was the best?
Done yet. We're not even done yet, bro. So I can't say it was the best part if we didn't hike it. So. First off, the experience was crazy, right?
Oh, it was so lit.
It was kind of bittersweet because it was like, man, like we finna have to dip. I thought this was the crib, right?
No, we had some like peace and quiet, alone time that hasn't happened in like almost 2 years.
How old is Terry about to be?
2 years old. So it was like we got to unplug, unwind, and just kind of
take advantage of the
yeah.
In the car, about to leave the tiny house. Can you see it back there? This is a great time. I'm gonna remember this many moons. Going on a hike.
Yeah, that joint was crazy. I seen so many stars, bro.
Oh, the stars was going nuts last night. Like, if that would have been able to be captured on the camera, we would have showed y'all. But it's like, you just got to see it.
I mean, we barely wanted to leave, but we went ahead and had to make the move because we had something else planned.
Oh yeah.
If you didn't know, had to go see a waterfall.
Look at the bovine.
Cow. I gotta go, Julia. We got cows. Another cow.
Actually, I think that was the same one.
It's like bombs, man.
There was a whole bunch of weird names, like Barker B's Tree, Old Mad Man, right? Like, it was just really like, oh, they must have
Make this up.
I don't know where we're going. Why does it have to be this way? This is fucking rough. It's only one way. Oh my God. One way in, one way out. One winding road.
So you gotta take a trip to get to the tree.
My phone lost service. The GPS was still going, but that was, we had to just trust that it was still right. I kept thinking, like, if we popped a tire, how was we gonna get home? Who could we call? We don't know anyone. We haven't seen anyone for miles, but we kept the faith.
keep it the faith.
Okay, there's a car.
And here's this guy.
Get out the way, get out the way.
Well, if you don't turn into your house.
I didn't know what I was gonna do if I let us up that trail and nothing was up there, bro. You stay with me.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all that matters.
Okay. We never seen a waterfall before, and it was a hike to get to it, so you gotta earn it. You feel me?
You gotta work for that.
Does that look like somewhere safe to go? Like we should keep going, cuz. Come on. Come on. That look like somebody trying to trick you, like. Alright, what?
We're doing it.
The tree is talking.
Tree? I am no
Said they're gonna come alive like some trolls.
The hike was pretty cool. Didn't even take too long. We saw some people, we saw some other people, they had to look, the sticks. It was like, yeah, it's a little ways down. The waterfall's down there.
I was like, is it really a waterfall back here? They were like, oh yeah.
Cause we kept seeing like water falling. If that meant like, we saw water that was falling. A
Large puddles, like vertical
yeah,
puddles.
we was like, and we never seen one, a real one before, so we like, is that it?
It's like it could.
Came all this way. And here's the waterfall.
There's the waterfall.
But no, them people didn't look like they was gonna climb Everest.
Yeah, they was so prepared. We just pulled up.
Right, we
Pull up.
We had on jeans and sneakers.
We up in there walking. We saw all the same type of plants. I was thinking in my mind, like, I guess if we lived here and we had to be in the wilderness, we have to just eat all of these.
Come make a fire salad.
I'm talking about and a sandwich.
Let's go.
Finally, we saw it.
Yo. Definitely worth it. Yo. We gotta carve our name or something. Like, what the hell? Huh?
You brought a knife or something?
Or keys. Yo.
We did not engrave our name on that rock. No, we didn't. It's all good though. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gotta do that because we with that. You know what I'm saying? If you know
We're going green.
He's silly. You gotta do a teary dance.
Yeah, but the waterfall was dope. Never seen nothing like it, man. Like, I mean, seen it in the movies, but just to be around it and that joint was like, it was mist. It was cold. It was cold. It was cold, but it was so fun. It was just like, it didn't matter. It was a little early, so everybody was really kind of chilling. You know what I'm saying? You could tell because when we was on our way back, we saw everybody on their way up. So we really got to do it without having to, you know how we do.
Yep, there it is. Vehicle. My first hike was, well, it's not my first hike because we hiked up Stone Mountain, but my first waterfall was everything. It was great. A easy hike. Romantical with my mans.
On the road again. Sing it with me, Shrek. I can't wait to get on the road again.
We was gone for like, what?
I think we left at like 2 and we got back around 2.
That's a fact.
Mwah. Mwah. She got white her face first.
Yeah.
Good job,
They be cracking me up. Talking about some. Say what happens between me and TT these days.
Nothing to see here. Hey man, let's get it. See you next Friday.
See ya.